Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see or locate hidden files or hidden pictures and videos in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is Google's cloud storage for photos and videos and other similar media. It is distinct from Google Drive, however, it does share the same memory. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of Google Photos. Now, there is a way that you can use Google Photos to hide your photos and pictures and videos and whatever that you don't want to be seen while you're scrolling through your repository, let's call it. Now, that way to hide pictures and to see them later is by the use of the locked folder. Now you can access it both on mobile and on PC. On PC, as you can see, it is right here to the left. On mobile, you do need to go into utilities and locate it there. However, the process afterwards is pretty much the same. Now, as you can see, I have some pictures in my gallery. However, I have hidden some in my locked folder. To access your locked folder, just click on the icon and it'll ask you to log in again, or just verify by putting in your password. And excuse me, there we go. Once you do verify that it is you, you will gain access to your locked folder. And as you can see, I have some pictures that have been here. And as you can see, if I select them, I can move them back to my standard repository, or I can move items from there into here by clicking them, selecting them, and just clicking move. And that is pretty much it. That is how you use the locked folder and locate hidden files. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.